internet, 'tis I, your favorite drag queen turned GM, Shelly Von Miller here, to give you an update. I'm quitting the internet. Yeah, that's right. Goodbye. Have a wonderful life. I'm kidding. I'm announcing a new project, Cooking Through Exandria. That's right, the land of Critical Role is going to be on my plate, and I'm really excited to try it out. I've already tried one of the recipes, but now that I have their cookbook in my hand, we're going to cook through Exandria. We're going to enjoy the foods of Critical Role's mind. Follow me on socials when videos drop, and I'll keep you up to date, I promise. You get first looks if you're a member, and then the videos will come out on YouTube. I'll see you on the internet. Goodbye!